In this video, I'm going to show you how to save all your data to files for yourself, or if you're actually doing research on behalf of your client and you want to deliver reports to them, certain data reports, things like that you want to deliver to them. So let's go through each of the tools and show you how to do that. So we're just in the keyword generator tool here, and under each tool, you're going to have a file button. So you can click the file button and you can save the file or save the data to comma delimited file, which can be opened up in Google Spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel, something like that. Save it to text file. You can also just save just the keywords and save the keywords to text. So let's start doing that. So let's say we save it to comma delimited file. We can save it here. And if we want to go to where we saved that file, you can click the file button and you will see an option down there. Go to last working folder. Last working folder means where did you last save a file or last open a file. So you do that, and there it is. And we can take a look at this in Microsoft Excel, and then it will give you all your data that you've collected here. Now you can deliver that report to your clients. Now, if you haven't seen the keyword generator video yet, then go ahead and watch that. And there's also a video on how to get keyword search volume by using this tool here, but I'm not going to go over that in this one. But now you can also save just the keywords, say, to a text file. And looking at, where was it? Oh, that's right there. Then we can go modified keywords. We have it into a text file. So that's how you can deliver the keywords to your clients, or save it to your own computer. And if you want to save just for your own information, the best way to do that is save as a project file. So if we save this as a project file, and if this was all cleared out, you come back in here, you load in the project file, and the project file is only specific to this tool. So in other words, you can't open this project file within, say, like the product search tool. So going on the product search tool, you also have the options to save this data to a project file. Same thing, comma delimited and text file. So we can do comma delimited as well, and it will save all of that data. And this is a quite extensive list of all that data that you want to see, and you can give that all to your client or save it for yourself. You can also save it to a text file. Now you can also save interactive data to HTML files. Now these are really important files that you can deliver to your clients, or obviously use them for yourself. And what they are is basically when you click preview and do this here, you can see all the products in this really nice HTML kind of page where you can hover your mouse over top, you can sort the columns, you can even search. This is a self-contained HTML file that you can actually deliver just like any other file, like a Word document or a PDF or anything like that. And in my opinion, this particular file is far more effective than delivering a PDF, because in a PDF, you can't sort. You can't hover your mouse over and look at larger images. You can't instantly search as you type. So as you type, it actually filters out the data. And sorting and all that kind of stuff. You can't do that in a PDF file. There's not really an interactive PDF file like this. So this is really awesome. And also, I've created another way. You can do a feed file. So in here, you actually see it in a card view as you move. It's pretty cool. And you can deliver this file just like any other file as well. So let me show you how to do that. So if you want to do that, you go File, Export, Interactive HTML file, and we want to save it. I'll save it as, let's call it my table report. And let's save the, whoops, that's not what I was going to do. Let's save the feed one. Let's call it my feed report. And if we go to where we saved them, you can see them here. These are the two files that we created. And all you have to do is deliver that file to your customer. And it's no different than delivering like a CSV file. You can just attach it to an email, and when your customer gets it, they'll get it in the email or wherever. And all they have to do is just double click that file and it will just open up in their default web browser. And as long as they have an internet connection, they'll be able to see all this stuff and click the links and go out and see everything. So it's pretty deadly. It's a pretty awesome little report that you can deliver. And to deliver them, you can zip them up if you want. In Windows, you can go right click. You can right click and you can use like a zip program like 7-Zip. I use 7-Zip, it's free. Let me just give you a quick look here. If you go to 7-zip.org, you can download it here. If you've got 32-bit Windows or 64-bit, and download it and install it. And once you have it, you can right click and go add to a zip file. And now I can deliver this to my customer. Or let's say I want to deliver the feed, the table, the products, the keywords. I'll select them all like that. I was just holding down the control key on my keyboard to select them individually. Right click, 7-Zip, and it'll create a folder, and you can name that whatever you want. So you can right click and you can rename that to client data, something like that. And then you deliver that file to them. And inside that zip file, they have all that stuff. So it's pretty awesome. So moving on, you also have the shop search. In here, you also have the option to do the same idea. You can save to text file, export interactive HTML table and feeds. And of course, the shop analyzer, you also have the same idea. So that's how you basically save your files and open them. It's quite simple, not too difficult, I hope. And you can deliver those files to your customers and clients. Well, thanks for watching, and that's it for this video.